are watching Playtime with Lehrey and Laurent.
So hey guys, so today we're going to make a video about rockets and how they work, alright? So we're gonna show you guys how to make it. Like this bottle, you're gonna fly, alright?
Yep.
So we only need vinegar, we need baking soda, we need an empty water bottle, and aluminum foil, alright?
Alright.
So when you're doing this experiment, you have to do it outdoors because it's gonna be messy if you're doing it inside your house. So in this video, we're going to show you guys how the rockets work, okay guys? So in this video, we're going to build a bottle rocket. In this experiment, kids might get hurt, so you need to have a supervision by an adult, okay? Rockets move because of Newton's third law of motion. The third law states that for every action in nature, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So in this experiment, we need a vinegar, empty water bottle, baking soda, and aluminum foil. So the reaction of baking soda and vinegar creates carbon dioxide. This is called gas evolution reaction. So carbon dioxide is a gas. So when we shake it, pressure builds inside and the gas will come out. So first we're going to put the vinegar in an empty water bottle. And then using aluminum foil, we're going to put the baking soda inside. We cover the lid and shake it. First experiment failed. Let's try it again. Okay, so now we're going to put the baking soda in, right? Okay. Alright, we're gonna put it up. It's so windy right now. Yeah? Okay, we're gonna put it inside. We're going to shake it.
Whoa, it's so windy in Toronto! Yeah!
One more time.
It just splashed all over my new.
So we're going to shake it.
Oh,
It's getting hard now.
It went down already. Whoa! It exploded like a rocket ship into space.
I know. Okay, didn't work again. Failed. Let's try it again one more time.
Dang it! There, let's stay back.
Okay? Okay.
Alright, guys.
So now I'm going to shake it. Okay, here you go, guys. Here you go. It's coming. There you go! Finally, you made it! So now, I'm going to do it again. Okay? Who wants to shake it?
Me! I'm going to shake it hard as I can.
Shake it hard as you can. Alright? Alright, you too, Laurent. Do you feel it? It's getting hard now, right?
Yeah.
Because of the reaction of the vinegar and the baking soda. There you go! See that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do it one more time with the slow motion, okay?
Okay.
Slow motion, Mom. Alright guys, so watch this in slow motion. Okay, I'm passing it to you. You're going to shake it, right?
Alright.
Alright.
I will do
See?
it.
You're shaking it.
So
Alright.
that's gonna be good.
It's
and
gonna be
then-
good for sure.
Yeah,
And then I'm
I
going
hope
to
it's
pass it to
be
your
good
brother,
'cause
Laurent.
It's so good.
It is so good, yeah?
I love it.
Okay, so we're going to shake it. Laurent's turn to shake it. See that?
Yep.
Alright. See? While you're shaking it, the gas inside will create the pressure, right? And then, see that?
It went slow motion.
It went in slow motion and went to my shoulder.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
Shoulder.
It's amazing, guys. Okay, so next time we're gonna do an experiment again, okay, boys?
Okay.
Alright.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching Playtime with Lehrey and Laurent. Don't forget to subscribe.